This Cajun butter salmon will have you licking the plate. It's sweet, spicy, and delicious. Only takes about 30 minutes. Let's get into it. To begin, I'm going to start by making the Cajun butter. I have 4 tablespoons unsalted butter here. I'm going in with my Island Vibe Cajun Crush seasoning. And then I'm going in with 2 cloves of garlic minced. Also, I'm going in with some fresh parsley, just a little bit. And I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of honey. Make sure your butter is room temperature. That way you can nicely just press it down just like this. I have 1 fillet of salmon here, skinless, boneless, obviously. I'm going to fillet it into maybe 4 pieces. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on the salmon, rub it in. Just like this. This recipe is extremely easy, especially if you're coming home from work. You can get this ready in less than 30 minutes. By the time you take a shower, it'll be ready for you to go. So just rub that in and go in with your Cajun Crush seasoning, or you can use pretty much any Cajun seasoning that you have. Now for me to add the butter, I'm just gonna cut a slit like this. Nothing big, not too deep, just like that. So I can just add the butter on top. Nice and buttery, just how we like it. Let's just add a little bit of oil that way it doesn't stick. Now I'm going to add the fish right into my baking dish. Now I have my oven preheating on 375. We're going to place this in there for about 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes, it should be ready to go. Now we're going to add some lemon slices right on there. It's gonna be lemony, give you that little sourness. You know, a little lemon is a must whenever you're making fish, okay? So I'm just going to bake it now. Now I'm going to bake it on 375 for about 15 minutes. All right, guys, the salmon is ready, and let me tell you, it smells so good. It's my favorite part. Let's try it. Ooh, that butter on top of there. Let's give it a try. My mouth is watering. Dab it on the lemon, of course. This is so good. Flaky, perfectly cooked salmon. And let me tell you, it's so flavorful. Buttery. That Cajun, you got a little kick to it. My goodness. Wow. And you can make this in less than 20 minutes. That's crazy. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, leave a comment down below. What are you going to pair this with? And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's how you will help your sister out. So give it a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. I'm watching you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.